Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can add a stack to your diagram or boards in Whimsical. So let us dive into this. So head over to your board inside your Whimsical workspace, switch to the card mode and here choose stack. Position it on your diagram or board. Let me zoom in so that you can now, for example, move cards from your diagram and position them here inside the stack. So let me add another card, this time with this color here. And then guys, position it here above your stack and release the left mouse. So that's how you can organize your cards. Let me zoom in. So if you, for example, click into this plus button, Whimsical will give you the opportunity to add a custom card next here. And that's it. You can resize the stack. But as you can see, you can't resize them the way that these cards disappear, right? So you can make them broader, but yeah, you know what I mean, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.